So we're out here with this amazing truck here. Obviously, when we're talking about the Zone 3-inch Adventure Series kit, and you think to yourself, what are you going to do with this truck? I'll be honest with you, this thing is perfect, to head into town, drawing attention, kind of making it your own with some, different wheels and more stance, but also, as street as this truck may look, this thing is fully capable to get off-road, get to your favorite hunting spots, go up and tackle the sand dunes here in northern Michigan, 2-track. This thing will absolutely off-road, increase ground clearance, room for bigger tires, and of course a little bit more up travel to just make the ride and drive so much better. So if you like what you're seeing here and you want to see what it takes to install this kit, check out the link below for a full install video. And of course, we also have a link to an unboxing to show you all the parts and products that goes along with this. If you're done with all that and you're just ready to make a purchase, head on over to zoneoffroad.com and drop that thing in the cart. We're ready to take your order right there. As always, check us out on Facebook and Instagram, Zone Off-Road. Stay tuned for more.